5 Superhuman Tips. Sometimes you have to take the leap of faith first. The trust part comes later. Superman. What makes 21st Century Superhuman so awesome? Because you make a difference. And 21st Century Superhuman helps you get there. We are fiercely committed to helping you be amazing. Tip number 1. Perspective. We've been living consciously and offering progressive tools and programs for decades to assist you to engage with your journey on all levels. In order to succeed as your SuperSelf, daily immersion of thought, word, and deed is a must. Our vision lights the path to help you fully connect with your SuperSelf. Tip number 2. Truth. Side roads in the world can attract us for false reasons, such as gaining wealth or being more attractive. When we focus in the truth of our being, our SuperSelf, the greatest abundance is magnetized to us, and we become more attractive, healthy, and desirable. Live your truth. Tip number 3. Freedom. Whatever delicious thing freedom means to you, more time, more money, more opportunity to create or go on adventures, to be with family, or take care of self. Isn't it time to go after it before too much time flies by? Everything we offer here is to provide a space to peel away the layers that have held you back, in the illusion you are not free. In all truth, you are free. Claim it. Tip number 4. Knowledge. Knowledge is power. Wisdom is how to use knowledge for the positive. You know something from your life experiences that no one else knows like you do. We help you discover the gift of your knowledge, to express it with wisdom and envisioning, and use it as a basis to create abundance. Tip number 5. Success. Our wish for you is your true success. How does this happen? First, it's critical that you delay no longer. Now, get in touch with your SuperSelf and let him or her start driving the boat. Our classes, coaching, retreats, and travel give you practical tools, resources, deeper self-connection, and your captain's license. To sail the seas of your own success. Don't miss out. Join us today at 21stcenturysuperhuman.com.